Cutting thin strips can be fraught with problems. I tried the traditional push-style fence, but had lots of issues with kickback, so I decided something better was needed. My mate Warwick Finch showed me a rockler jig, and I thought, well, I can make one of those. So a quick trip to the offcuts bin for some MDF, and some plastic printing on the 3D printer, and here it is. I used a bearing from a kid's skateboard wheel, which is set into a mortise in the face of the MDF. The bearing is located and held in with an 8mm dowel. The jig is held tightly in place using the expanding plastic runner. It also locates the jig and allows for adjustment of strip thickness by way of the routed slots. If you don't have access to a 3D printer, then a piece of scrap hardwood and slots and countersunk holes will work just as well. The jig works a treat for the 3mm cut strips I needed. You could improve it by stacking the bearings too high with another piece of MDF and maybe adding a plexiglass safety screen. Thanks for watching.